Why are you so irresponsible and lazy? You promised to watch my YouTube channel every week, right? What's wrong with you? Why can't you do one thing right? I was just joking earlier. However, if you are constantly arguing in your relationship, then you need to avoid this. And by this, I don't mean arguing, because it's inevitable to argue even among healthy couples. You see, every couple argues, but not every one of them breaks up, isn't it? Therefore, the essence is not in what you argue about, but how you argue that makes or breaks a relationship. One of the most common ways that couples start their argument is through criticism, contempt, blaming, or accusations. This is what we call a harsh startup, and this is one of the deadly signs that your relationship is failing. I shared about this in one of my earlier videos and the solution to it, which I'll link it at the end of this video. For now, I want to answer a question a viewer has with regard to harsh startups and examples of softening it. Finally home? Do you know what time it is? Or do you even know that you have a home? Is there somebody outside? What you've just heard contains elements of sarcasm, contempt, and accusations. This kind of startup usually doesn't end well. Your partner will most probably perceive it as an attack, and they will either defend or withdraw. And when they do that, the more you want to attack. And the more you attack, the more they will want to defend or withdraw even more, and the cycle continues. So, how do we soften the startup? I know that you've been very busy for the past few months, but I'm really feeling very neglected, unloved, and I'm scared you don't care about me anymore. Can we talk about this? This is an example of a soft startup. As compared to the harsh startup earlier, there isn't any elements of contempt, accusations, or blaming. What you are doing is communicating what you feel and what you need from your partner so that they can better respond to your needs. Now, a soft startup doesn't mean that it has to sound soft and nice all the time. It can sound strong and bold and not nice as well. And it could sound something like this. I really feel very strongly that we should go and exercise together more often. Do you know that you're getting fatter? This is making me worry a lot about your health. You see, this is a softer startup. Because in this statement, you don't find any contempt, criticism, or accusations. As long as none of these are present, it's a softer startup. And usually, it will end better than a harsh startup. I hope you're much clearer now on what's the difference between a harsh and a soft startup. Here are some more examples for you to test how well you are able to come up with a soft startup. You can pause the video to take down the questions and try them out at your own pace. I've written sample answers in the description below for your reference. Try not to pick first. So, if you can't avoid an argument, avoid harsh startups in your argument. And as promised, this is the link to the video I mentioned at the start of this video, where I share 3 proven signs that your marriage is failing and what to do about it. And check out this playlist where I share tips and advice on how to improve your relationships as well. Thank you.